Hi, good morning, everybody. You know, I'm going to let you do the talking just because he said that, right?
That's right.
So we've heard from Pat about this integration between security and building it intrinsically into vSphere, the product, the combination of vSphere and AppDefense, vSphere Platinum, with this key concept of basically learning about the system, locking in the status, and then adapting as need be. Can you show us that in action, VJ, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Let's roll the demo. With vSphere Platinum, you can easily enable AppDefense for hundreds of hosts and thousands of guest virtual machines. What that does is gives you immediate visibility into your infrastructure through the lens of an application. Let's look at an example. In this case, you can see the e-commerce application, the components that make up that application, the database tier, the web tier, the app tier. But we're also learning automatically the processes and behaviors of this application. Right?
So one of the things that I often get asked when we talk about this is, how do you know we're learning good behavior? We're learning what the system is doing, but we could be actually learning bad behavior, and therefore we're locking in this wrong information. Can you tell people why that is not the case?
That's a great question. We ensure that we only learn good things and not bad by first verifying every binary for its reputation, and then we also verify all the behaviors using machine learning. Let's look at an example. In this case, svchost.exe is exhibiting hundreds of behaviors across numerous CLIs. You don't have to manually verify this. Our machine learning models that have been trained on millions of instances of goodware will automatically verify this for you. So we've learned about the application. Once we have learned about the application's composition and behavior, locking it down is as simple as clicking on that Verify and Protect button. As soon as you do that, it goes and updates the policy on the compute and on the network to lock down the application. Let's also see how we adapt to changes in the application. In this case, lsas.exe is showing a new behavior which we actually did not see during the learning period. But again, thankfully, our machine learning models that have been trained on thousands of LSAS instances know this is pretty normal for LSAS. So what it has done is that it has updated the policy for compute and for the network to allow that behavior. And it has also changed the criticality or lowered the criticality of the alarm, addressing false alerts. This is how we've simplified learn, lock, and adapt with AppDefense in vSphere Platinum. But this is just a trailer. You want to watch the full movie tomorrow at 2 p.m. in Tom Korn and Chris Cott's keynote, security keynote. We'll have a live attack actually being defended using AppDefense with vSphere Platinum.
Thank you, VJ. Pat, do you want to summarize where we are at this stage?
Well, thank you, Ray. Thank you, VJ. And fundamentally, you've shown how we can learn, right? How we could lock, right? And then adapt to different behavior, and ultimately dramatically shrink the attack surface of the data center. What do you think? Did these guys do a good job? Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you, Pat. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray. Thank you, VJ.